west side of Olympia. And today what I'd like to talk about are cold lasers, specifically the PL5 or Konya cold laser. This particular laser I've been using in my office for 15 years. Now, what I don't want you to get confused with is the Dr. Soran multi-range light source in the Generations movie. This is a different laser than the one that I use. Now you can pick up your own action figure if you'd like. That's Dr. Soran Generations movie. Okay? I am the only chiropractor, by the way, with his own action figure. So, this is a PL5, and this particular laser runs at 635 nanometers. 635 nanometers. Light is on the infrared end of the light spectrum. Light runs from infrared to ultraviolet and everything in between. Now the other thing about this is it's a level 2 laser and it only runs at 5 milliwatts. What's so important about that is there are other lasers that people say, oh, it penetrates deeper and it does all these things. Well, what happens is they put a lot of energy in and it creates heat and other problems. You have to wear sunglasses and it can damage tissues. Research shows that at 635 nanometers and 5 milliwatts, that has the best effect on cells and cell tissue as far as stimulating regeneration and function. Okay? Because what we want to do is we want to stimulate the cell to pull in oxygen and glucose to create ATP in the mitochondria to get the cell to function the way it's supposed to. If you have damaged tissue, one of the things about the cold laser is that it creates better blood flow. It also stimulates healing and function. Some of the areas that we can treat are the wrist, elbow, knee, low back, you name it, if there's a damaged area. Now, the PL5, let me show you a little bit about how it works. We set it here, and we're going to turn it on. Right there, you can see we have two treatment heads. They're together, and then we have multiple lines. There's actually 4 lines there, and they're pulsing at different wavelengths. And those pulses stimulate cells a little bit differently, which actually helps to increase the different types of healing and function. So, Dr. Oz said this is the wave of the future. It's pill-free and addiction-free pain treatment. Okay? Lasers have been around for quite a while, but right here, what we're going to do is I'm treating my wrist, and that as the light actually interacts with the cells and cell tissue, on the outside of all cells are photoreceptors. That cell then communicates with another cell and communicates with another cell, which stimulates the healing and the function. Cold laser is one of the best treatments you can get. The treatment takes between 5 and 10 minutes, okay, for an injury. And with that, there's not a whole lot of negative side effects that can happen. We're not putting a lot of energy in that are going to burn or cause any damage. So if you have any questions, give us a call at Back in Motion Chiropractic, 360-357-7585. We'll answer all the questions we can for you. Get you scheduled. You can come in, take a look, find out if the laser is going to work for you or not. But I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you need us, we're here for you. Thank you.